Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Last week I had my dog over here and he was barking like a madman. So I wanted to get something like a bark collar here, but I didn't want to get one that shocked the crap out of him or shocked him at all. So I found this one here that said no bark collar, and it has two different options. Well, it has, I guess it can do three. It can do sound, vibration, or it can shock. I will not be doing the shock, but I thought maybe if I could do the sound one or the vibration one, it might get him, incentivize him not to bark. And it looks like it's made for any kind of size dog, but let's check it out and see what's inside. No bark collar. Here's the instructions. And I don't know, just thank you for purchasing. And then here is the little device. Let's see what other stuff we got here. And then just take all the stuff out of the box here. Right here, the box is empty at this point. I'll pull it out. I'll show you what I got here. I got this. This is everything right here. Okay, so we got a wire, and it is micro USB. I'm not sure why they don't go USB-C. It's time to update. But there's a micro USB-C wire to charge it. It has the collar here, which is pretty long. I mean, how would it fit somebody bigger than me? And then the device, and I'm not sure what this is. Some sort of clip cover of some sort. I'll have to figure it out. And this is, some more rubber tips. I guess it's got these little rubber tips on here. These are the, probably if you take them off, it's how you shock them. But if you leave them on, it just does the vibrate, would be my guess. But let's read some instructions and see how this thing works and see if we can put it together and try to bark. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. And you can see I've got it charging right now. So so I found out how it all works. So there's a charging port back here. So that's how I'm charging it. It goes to USB. So I have it plugged into my USB port here. So I'm charging it currently. And then next to it, I don't know if you can see right next to it up there, that's the power button. So push it to turn it on and off. It doesn't go now just because I'm charging. But then we have the buttons on the top, and you can see it's got a shock, a vibrate, and a sound one. And so depending on which one you want, you can push the different levels of, here, I'll unplug it so we can, it should have enough power to do that at the moment. Are we on? Oh yeah, so one beep is on and two beeps is off. Okay, so here we are. So you can see here we have, as I push the button, that's the sensitivity mode. So right now I'm at 4 sensitivity of the sound. So sound, vibration, and then shock. So that's just how strong it'll be. And so that's kind of how it all works as far as the thing here. And then when it does go, and then what this piece was this was a tester. So if you're using the shock mode, you can put this over here, and then when you have a bark, I think it lights up. There's a little light or something like that that lights up, so you know it's actually working, so it'll light up. So that was just the tester for that. Came with extra little tips, and I think that's really, for the most part, what it was. To get it strung on here was a bit of a challenge. I had to first take off this little piece here, and then feed it up and through and around, around the whole thing, because I have it set like this. I guess you could also feed it through these ones here, depending on how you want it, but have it fed through there, and then feed it back through, reattach this clip, and get it working. So now it actually is, it's still too huge for my little dog, but you get the concept of it. And so that's kind of how it all works. It's pretty cool. You can see it flashes every few seconds just to let you know that it's working. And then let me see if I change my sensitivity to, right now it's at 1. I'll change that to 0, and that's at 0. Okay, so now if I barked, I don't know if it's gonna go, because I don't know if it needs, I don't have a dog, and I don't sound like a dog. There we go, you heard the beep, and it vibrated just a tiny bit, but you see if I go, ruff. Oh, I don't know if it'll work twice in a row, but you get the idea. It did hear, you heard the beep, so that's just to incentivize your dog not to bark. So it seems like it works. The functionality works and it goes, so thumbs up for me. Let you know how it works on Rambo. But thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description for this if you want to pick up this brand. Thanks, bye.